What's going on, guys? Are you wondering why when you click on this arrow here your virtual background doesn't appear as an option? And maybe it's the same problem with the video filter. So how to fix it? In this video I will show you how to fix it, and just to know, it's very easy and simple. And yeah, let's move on point. How? First, open your browser and search on Google the official site of Zoom. Click on Zoom, yeah, and when you're on their official site, just click here, my account, on your right top side, and yeah, it opens your profile. A globe gabgala, yeah, I know. Just click on settings, and in settings here you can find every single settings on your Zoom meeting, of course, yeah, from A to Z. So here's also the virtual background and the video filter. So don't start to search for them because you waste a lot of time. Just click Ctrl and F on your keyboard in the same time, and as you can see, it opens this box here. So here just type virtual, and yeah, as you can see, it's searching it itself for us. And here's these two options: virtual background and video filters. So now they're disabled. We just have to enable them here, and when you enable the virtual background, it appears this option here. So just check off it. Allow use of videos for virtual background, and that's all. No, actually that is not all, because when you close the Zoom, the official site of Zoom, and when you click this arrow, as you can see, they are not appearing here. So just end the meeting. Oops. So just end the meeting and sign out from your account. And when you sign out, just enter it again. Oops. Enter again and start a new meeting again. Join computer audio, and when you click here, as you can see, now these two options are here, and now you can use them. So if you wonder how to use them, you can watch the previous videos in our channel, and to see how. And if I helped you out, make sure you give a like, and if you have some problems and some questions, you can comment down below the video in the comments, and I will try to respond on your comments. Yeah, and yeah, that's all. Bye.